Good attempt.
Is she trying to jump up on there?
Matthew, put your hands together, let her put her foot in, and hoist her.
I don't think right over the wheel.
Put your knee down and step on it.
Our shorts and I'll drop. Okay, we're gonna jump.
Oh.
Just a little bit further.
Almost there. We're almost there.
That was a tiger shot.
I don't know if I can surf.
You can try.
Oh yeah.
Stand up, Marcia. Come on.
Stand up.
It's like log rolling.
Matthew, be ready to catch her.
Oh, log rolling.
Standing up isn't dangerous, it's falling that's dangerous.
Falling
like
isn't
that.
dangerous. It's a sudden stop.
The landing.
Wait, no, okay, one more, Mar.
I'm trying to think if I can do not Tadasana.
Yeah, like that. No, that's unattractive.
Can you do a cartwheel? A
Or
handstand.
the leg muscles.
Okay.